Morning guys, Leanne here on GradysMom. I'm starting a new week of what I packed my husband for lunch, but this week is going to be a little bit different because I am going to be combining my husband's lunches and then my lunches. So for example, on Monday, I'll show Matt's lunch and then my lunch after, and so on and so forth for the rest of the week. I am just this week starting a couple part-time jobs outside the home, so this is all new for me because normally I eat lunch at home. So I am starting off today with Matt's lunch. I'm giving him a Snapple in the Mango Madness flavor, a Dr. Thunder, and also one of the salads that I made in food prep yesterday. And I made a whole bunch of salads yesterday. This one is a strawberry grilled chicken salad on romaine, and it's absolutely delicious. I'm actually super excited to eat one tomorrow. I also made some shrimp salads. So Matt wanted the chicken one today, and with his little salad, I'm also giving him a couple snacks. If you are new here to my channel, I do have an entire playlist of lunch videos from over the years, but going forward, most of the time I'm going to include my lunches in with my husband's lunches for the week Monday through Friday. So I hope you guys enjoy this week's Foots for Lunch, and let's go ahead and get started to see what we had the rest of the work week. Morning guys, it's Monday and I'm getting ready to head out the door with my son. I have to take him to school, and then I am going to start my first day at one of my new jobs. So I have a large Starbucks tumbler here with some ice water, some clear American sparkling water in the golden peach flavor, one of these Yoplait original Dunkin' apple fritter flavored yogurts. This is the second one. I bought two of these. This is the second one. The first one was okay. I'm not going to buy this flavor again, but I do want to use it up before it expires, so I've got that. Of course, a fork and a spoon. I did some food prep yesterday. I made a whole bunch of salads. I made a grilled chicken strawberry salad and a shrimp salad. So I'm taking one of the shrimp ones today. It's got some shrimp with hard-boiled eggs and then a whole bunch of romaine, different veggies, some bacon bits. And, oh, I have to go out. I have to remember to put my dressing in here. I almost forgot. But yeah, I'm going to put a dressing in here as well. I'm going to do the Planet Organics raspberry oregano. Matt is taking one of the grilled chicken strawberry salad. You guys probably saw that before this one. So yeah, this is my lunch today. I'm going to head out and I will see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. It is Tuesday and I'm packing Matt's lunch cooler up. I'm going to give him a Body Armor Blackberry Blackout drink and then a strawberry Gatorade. The weather is starting to warm up here now more consistently. I feel like it's gotten warmer earlier than it has in previous springs, but anyways, I'm going to start doing more drinks like Gatorades and stuff in the warmer months. I'm giving Matt the last of the shrimp salads. I made 2 of them, and because shrimp has a shorter shelf life, we have to use them. So I'm giving him this salad. It's a pretty beefy salad. It's got lots of romaine packed in there with different veggies, bacon bits, some hard-boiled eggs, obviously the shrimp, and then the dressing here is the Panera at Home Fuji apple vinaigrette, which we've been loving. And then some little bites in the crumb cake flavor. They're pretty much little muffins with a crumb cake topping. One of the Jif Power Up chocolate peanut butter granola bars, a pepper jack cheese stick, and of course a fork so he can eat it. And I am actually going to take the last of the grilled chicken strawberry salad for lunch today with a water, a clear American drink, and some fruit and veggies with peanut butter. So that's what I'm having. I don't want to show you guys the same salads over and over, but these were our lunches Monday and Tuesday. And tomorrow on Wednesday, I'll be back to show you guys what we're having then. Good morning, guys. It's Wednesday and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's cooler. I'm giving him a Snapple apple, a blue Gatorade berry flavor, the wrap you guys saw me make on the rosemary olive oil wrap, turkey, Swiss cheese, everything aioli from TJ Maxx, and some lettuce, some hard-boiled eggs, salt and pepper, and then some cut up strawberries and raspberries in this container. I believe I got this at TJ Maxx a while back. And then a mozzarella stick. That's for his lunch today. And I'll show you guys what I'm having later. Hey guys, this is actually my lunch on Wednesday. I dropped Grady off at school at 8:30 and I had to go meet my friend Jen, who is a realtor, bright and early, and we were actually on our feet on the go the whole morning. It is now 12 o'clock and I just got home and I didn't bring anything for lunch today because I knew that it was going to be a crazy morning. So I did stop at Panera. I had a gift card. I actually placed an order just on my phone and just stopped in to pick it up. I got the You Pick Two, the spinach poppy seed salad with the half sandwich, which was grilled cheese, tomato, and bacon with white cheddar, and then it came with a little piece of baguette, which I didn't even have time to eat. So I stopped home really quick to eat lunch, check my mail, stuff like that, and then I actually had to head back out for a couple hours to work on my other job and then pick up Grady from school and go to speech therapy. So it was a pretty busy day, and this is what I had for lunch on Wednesday. Good morning, guys. Getting ready to pack up Matt's work cooler. Today I'm packing him a strawberry Gatorade, one of the vanilla Cokes, and then we did have some leftovers. I have some leftovers left over for him for lunch today because he's working at a job where he has access to a microwave and an oven and all that. So we've got some mac and cheese, good old school Kraft mac and cheese, and then this is some locally made kibasi that we grilled on the barbecue grill, and I just sliced up what was left. And I personally have always liked the combination of kibasi and mac and cheese, so he's very excited for that today, and he can just heat it up at work. I'm also giving him a little bite muffin in the crumb cake flavor, and a banana, and one of these Welch's Tropical Punch fruit rolls. They're kind of like fruit by the foot, but I think they taste a lot cleaner, if that makes sense, and just better overall. I get these on box.com. So yeah, this is his lunch today. Hey guys, it is Thursday around 12 o'clock and I am home between jobs. I actually just got done filming a grocery haul and I'm gonna eat this really quick and then I'll have a little time, enough just to get back to my other job. And today I'm having leftovers, sort of. I made this on my food and meal prep day on Sunday. I actually froze it Sunday afternoon and thawed it out last night, and this morning I just took it out and let it sit on the counter because it was still sort of frozen, and it was perfect temperature when I got home to film the grocery haul. So it's just some ground turkey, cauliflower, mushrooms, veggies, herbs. Worcestershire sauce is I use to flavor the turkey, which I like that combo. Some mashed sweet potatoes with a little bit of butter, salt, pepper, and ground cinnamon on top. I just heated it up, so I'm going to go ahead and eat this really quick, and then I'm going to bring grapes and some of these wasabi and soy sauce almonds that I just picked up at Walmart, because I'm going to have to be back at work by 12:30 and I'll stay there until almost 3:15, and then I have to go pick up my son. So I'll bring these two things, and if I need them, I need them. If I don't, I don't, but I like to have stuff in case I get hungry. And then I just refilled my Yeti cup. I've had this for a few years now. It's pretty large. It's a 30 ounce. This is just ice water with some fresh squeezed lime in there. And yeah, this is what I'm having for lunch on Thursday, and I'll show you guys Friday's lunch tomorrow. Hey guys, it's Friday morning and I'm getting ready to pack up Matt's lunch, so I thought I would go ahead and show you mine as well for later. Obviously, I'm not going to eat lunch right now because it's like 6 o'clock in the morning, but I thought I would just do both these clips at once since we're essentially having the same thing, and that way I can start editing this video this morning since it's Friday and this is the only day of the week now that I don't have an work outside the home job. So for Matt, I'm giving him a mango Snapple, a berry Gatorade, and of course, as always, the water cooler. These salads I made up last night. They are pretty much the same, except mine has Greek Kalamata olives and Matt's doesn't because he does not like those type of olives. We both have the last of the Panera at Home Fuji apple vinaigrette, which I'm definitely going to get another bottle of because it's really good. So our salads are a bed of romaine, shredded carrot, baby cucumber, grape tomato, some mushroom, and then again mine has the olives. We are also both having a loaded twice baked potato, That's all cooked and everything. It just has to be reheated. Matt is actually working a job currently where he has access to use the homeowner's microwave and oven and all of that. So he'll have the twice baked potato, the salad. I'm also giving him a Cliff Bar in the crunchy peanut butter flavor and one of these grass-fed non-GMO beef jerky sticks, I guess you'd call it. And then later I'll just have a water when I heat this up around 11 o'clock. So I hope you guys enjoyed this week's lunches, seeing both of our lunches in one video. Moving forward, I don't know if I'll continue to do this always like that, but some weeks you might see just Matt's lunches, and then some weeks you might see both, and some weeks you might just see my lunches. It's going to be different moving forward. So I'm just trying to find my groove right now. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed it. I do have a whole playlist linked down below in case you missed that in the beginning, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.